Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to use WebView to upload the image. First, we will create an empty project. I have created an empty project. Just add a WebView to your main activity. Then make sure on in manifest file you should add internet permission. Okay, let's get started. First, we will declare a variable for URL. Just declare a string URL. It will be your web URL. This on your server side. I have written the code for uploading the image, and I have created the folder so that the image will be saved in this folder. So next we will create WebView. Just import the WebView, and lastly we'll create value callback URI. Just name it as upload. Now first thing is that you should initialize your URL. I have means it goes something like this: your URL something. I have already stored in the global class, so you just replace your URL with this one. Then we'll find view by ID web view. Next, webview dot get string. Enable JavaScript to true. Second, then we will just load the URL. Now you have to create a WebView client class. So just write this: set WebView client new my web. I'll just write it at my web, and you have to create a class for that one. So I will write like this: private class my web, extend it with WebView, and override should override loading. Okay, it should be WebView client instead of WebView. Should override URL loading. So just override this one. What you will do is that you will return true, and above that thing we will view dot load URL. It will be request dot get URL to string. Okay, now we have set the web view client. Last part is just we have to set uh, web Chrome client. So just write it: web dot set web Chrome client equal to new web Chrome client. And now override on show file chooser. Okay, Just do same thing. uh, Create an intent intent equal to file chooser parameter dot create intent, then upload equal to file callback. Now you have to start the activity, so just override that on activity result. So start activity for result, pass this intent, give some number. It will be a constant code, make sure. Okay, and finally just return true. On on activity result, we have to check the thing. If request code equal to 101, which we have passed here. So and again, if you have to check if upload should not be equal, if upload is equal to null, we'll just return. Else means then upload dot on receive value web chrome client web dot file choose parameter dot parse result code, and finally an intent it's data for intent. Okay, yes, and upload get null. Okay, that's it, the complete code for uploading images from WebView client. WebView, I'll just connect my phone to show you. We will run the project first, make sure everything is okay. So here is our app. We have created a WebView. I'll just click on file choose this one, select upload. Yes, it has been uploaded. We'll check it on the server side. Go here, we'll check if yes, image is present. It will take us. So we just solved the problem how to upload images from WebView in Android. Thanks for watching the video.